What you are watching is a replay of my weekly live math session. I'm Benjamin Loh. Over 30 years, I've taught thousands of primary mathematics students across Singapore. Many of them stuck in the 50 to 70 range when they first came to me. This is exactly how I teach them live every week. If you want your child to get answers in real time, the details are in the description. Send me a message on WhatsApp and I'll tell you how to join. The number is 639. Come, tell me what is the first thing you will do. Interval. Very good, very good. The snake. Yeah, okay, the snake. Yes, interval. What is the interval? The interval is 3, right? The interval is 3. Very good, huh? Okay. Find the difference between each number, check if it's constant. Very, very good. Very good. Remember what he said. This is the correct thing to do. Find the difference and check if it is constant. That means whether the pattern is repeating. And yes, the answer is yes. In this case, it is repeating because it is always an addition of 3. All right. Now, based on this, can you tell me how many numbers should there be in each group? Okay, the answer is, if I were to divide each number by 3, I will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now I ask you again. Are we still dealing with groups of 8? Yes or no? Yes, still groups of 8. So what you do is this. Because of this, right, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So still end at 8, right? And then it's like that, then like that, right? So we are actually still doing the same thing. Now, we know that the number is 639. What do we do with this? We already know these are the interval is 3, and we know that we're looking for this number. We are asking, where is 639? Is it here, here, here? Where is it? What do we do with this? Come on. I'm going to ask you all a question. You know that 42 is 14, right? 42 is 14, and if you take, that means you take 42, you divide by 3, you're going to get 14. How? And then if I ask you, okay, so where is 42? Which you know is going to give you 14. Where is 42? Your answer will be C. But how would you know it's C? How would you know that it is C? Can you tell me the in-between step that I didn't say? What I'm saying is, I take 42, I divided by 3, I got 14, and then I found out that the answer is C. What was the step that I did not say? How did it, from 14, how did it become C? I mean, assume I didn't write this, of course. Anyone? Okay, listen. What I'm going to say to you is what will be the next thing I'm going to ask you to do after this, okay? I will take 14, so I will take 42. Let's say the question is 42, all right? So what I would do is I will take 42, I will divide by 3, I will get 14, and then I will take 14, and I will divide this by 8. Why? Because one group has 8. This will mean that I will have a 1 with a remainder of 6. And this remainder of 6, again, tells me that the answer is C. Okay, now, since the number is not 42, it is 639. Can someone tell me what to do with 639 now? Using the example I just gave you, what would you do? Very good. Okay, now most of you said 639 divided by 3, and this would give me 213. Okay, now what do I do with 213? There's something you need to do with this. You can use my example. This one is my example. Okay, what would you do with 213 next? Very good. Yes, very good. You will still, yes. Very good. Okay, good. All of you understand, right? So you take 213 and you divide it by 3. When you divided it by 3, your calculator will say, sorry, divide by 8. Salah. I say wrong thing. Divide by 8. Divide by the number, but divide by the number of things in one group, right? Because one group has got 8. Sorry, my bad. So this will give me 26.625. Okay, now what should I do next with my calculator? Now that I know this. 26 times 8. Very good. So now if I take 26 times 8, I will get 208 numbers. Okay? What am I going to do next? Quick pause. What you're seeing right now is the same method I've used with thousands of students over 3 decades. The difference is, when you join live, your child's exact question gets worked through in real time, not a replay, the actual session. My WhatsApp link is in the description. One message is all it takes. 213 minus 208. Very good. That's right. Why 213 and why not 639? Can someone explain? Why am I taking 213 minus 208 and not 639 minus 208? Okay, one is correct, one is wrong. Okay? Okay, I'm not even going to write it because it's not even the correct thing. Anyone knows? Why I use 213? I mean, you should know lah, which is, I mean, there's no other reason you use 213, right? But I want to know that you understand. So why did I use 213 and not 639? I think you all understand, but you don't know how to explain it. Never mind. I explain it and you tell me whether you understand. 213 is the how many numbers there are in my question. How many numbers there are in my question. 639 is the value, how much that number is worth. So 639 is the value of the 213th number. Do you all understand the difference between these two things? 213 is how many numbers I have. 639 is the value of that 213th number. If you understand, type yes. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. Anyone? Okay. Thank you very much. Now, if you understand that, the reason then is that 208 is also how many numbers in 26 groups. If you understand what I just said, type 1. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Keep going, keep going. I need response so that I know you understand what I'm saying, because I'm trying to bring this into your brain. Okay? Thank you. Okay, Viduran, when I take 26 times 8, I got 26 groups. Okay, 26 groups. So when I take 26 times 8, I'm saying that in one group, I got 8 numbers. In 26 groups, I got 208 numbers. Okay? Understand, Viduran? Okay. Now, guys, let's move on a little bit. Here is the most important thing I'm going to say to you. This is not just for this question, but for all of maths. Okay? All of maths. 213 is how many numbers? 208 is how many numbers? The reason they can subtract is because they are the same type of thing. 639 is not how many numbers. 639 is value. 208 is how many numbers. They cannot subtract because they are not the same type of thing. Do you understand? If you understand, type Y. If you don't understand, type N. Very good. Okay? No, I mean Y as in, you know, the alphabet Y. But okay, I get it. So, yeah, that's the reason. So that's why this is wrong. Okay, I don't want to teach you the question. I want to teach you the idea of maths, the concept of maths. So this is the reason. And so now that we know the answer is 5, 5 is my remainder. Let's finish this up. Now tell me, based on this, the remainder being 5, where is the column? Is it A, B, C, or D? Go. In fact, come, go, go, go. Somebody already got it right. Well done. Okay, the answer is D. All right, Viduran, the answer is D because the remainder is 5 and 5 is here. Okay, I'll say again. Remainder is 5 and 5 is here. Therefore, answer is D. That is the one method system in action. The same approach that has moved thousands of students out of the 50 to 70 range and into consistent results. This is not a recorded course. It happens live every week and your child can be part of it. Send me a message on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. Let's get them into the room. I'm Benjamin Loh. See you live.